This is the Genmitsu 3018. Now, I don't know if they say 3018, but I would assume 3018 since it's based on the working plate size. This one is actually 280 millimeters by 180, and that turns into about 11.2 inches by 7.1 inches. I'm going to get the extension, the Y extension. This is the X axis. This is the Y axis. I assembled this thing overnight. I've done a whole lot of research on these, and you'll see I haven't done the cable management on the back because I'm already planning to go ahead and get the extension. They were out of just the extension that has these three parts, but they have one that has another base plate with a joiner, so that you can go up to make it a 30-40. It'll have 400 millimeters of travel in the Y direction, which I can cut in whatever direction, diagonally or whatever. I have not plugged it into the computer yet. I have a laptop over here that I'm going to plug it into, and I'm going to record all the actions I do with the computer. But I got this offline controller. You can get it with or without the offline controller. I should have gone ahead and ordered it with the offline controller, because this lets you at least test it. And when it powers it up, if I hit the emergency button, it says click e-stop or check e-stop. When the button's in, it says check e-stop, and it won't let it move. So you have to twist it, and now I can jog it in the x-axis and in the y-axis and in the z-axis. And I haven't done the prepare and settings on here, and I'm not sure the limit switches actually work before using this. I'm gonna do a complete recording of everything I do with the software set up, and if I have to do it multiple times to have a good description of how everything works. I have not turned on the motor. I have a feeling I have to do something with prepare and do a select, and I haven't learned this yet. But the bottom line is it is stepping the motors. It all sounds good. I don't have the collet in because I'm not going to try to run it. I'm going to make sure I know everything there is about running this with the offline controller and with the computer before I actually start doing any cutting, because I'm not worried about breaking it. I mean, you can replace the plates, and if you cut into the plate, that happens. So the thing is I will just want to make sure I don't break things unnecessarily. I've done an extremely deep dive on all the Genmitsu routers, from the do-it-yourself desktop routers all the way up to their significantly bigger ones. And I've also been going through like the I forget what the brand, Fox Alien maybe, and I'm just learning everything I can about routers and these little CNC milling machines. One of the nice things about this one is it's mostly pre-assembled. It took me several hours to put together, but I had also studied it and taken a bunch of time. And even though it's powered on, I can use the manual jog wheels to move without using the offline controller or the computer. So that's just a little quick demo of it actually moving in the 3 axes. And like I said, I'm going to be shooting video of everything I capture on the computers, and this is actually being, the video for this is actually being seen on my main computers over there through this webcam in 4K, so I can work with it over there, or I can switch the USB from this computer over to that one, and I can do all the controls on any of the computers, because with the different tools I've got, like the laser cutter, I won't be able to carry a particular laptop to it and work on it. Supposedly you can generate the GRBL code and send it to the offline controller and then start it running, and you won't be seeing the computer statuses that way, because you can't have the computer and the GRBL controller plugged in at the same time. These are the things I've got to learn, and I'm going to make sure that people are fully aware of the things that I've learned. So thanks for watching. It's about 8 o'clock on Tuesday morning. I've got a lot of things to do. I might work on the 3D printer today, my Creality 3D Ender. I do want to get at least through the software on this, and then I'll probably work on either the 16 by 16 inch laser cutter engraver I got, or the Creality Ender 3 V2, or the PROVer 14 inch vinyl cutter, because I've got some things I want to do with vinyl cutting, and I'm going to clear off the table so that I can work on guitars and have everything recorded. I'm going to have my camcorders all set up. There's a bunch of camcorders, so I'll be running 3, 4, 5, maybe even 6 or more cameras as I'm doing things, so that I have the best material possible. I might not be able to create any worthy produced videos. My voice is kind of weak. It's been very weak ever since my legs went out in April, and when I'm tired, my voice really falls off. Hoping this is picking up the audio from the webcam that's right beside me. So thanks for watching.